In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to fix No Audio Device Installed or No Audio Device Found in Windows 10 and Windows 11. When this error shows up, it usually means Windows can't detect your speakers, headphones, or sound card properly. That's why you might see a red cross on the speaker icon in the taskbar, or the sound icon might say there are no output devices. We're going to walk through a series of checks and fixes, starting from the most basic and moving to more advanced options. So follow along carefully and try each method in order. First, make sure your audio device is connected correctly. If you're using external speakers or headphones, check that the cable is fully plugged into the correct audio port on your PC. If it's a USB headset, try unplugging it and connecting it to a different USB port. If you're on a laptop with built-in speakers, just confirm you haven't accidentally muted the sound or turned the volume all the way down using a physical key. Next, let's restart the Windows Audio Services. Press the Windows key on your keyboard, type Services, and open the Services app. In the list, look for Windows Audio and Windows Audio Endpoint Builder. For each one, right-click and choose Restart. If Restart isn't available, choose Start. Once that's done, close the window and test your sound again. If that doesn't solve it, we'll use Device Manager to check the audio driver. Right-click the Start button and select Device Manager. Expand the section called Sound, Video, and Game Controllers. If you see your audio device listed with a small warning icon, that's a sign of a driver problem. Right-click the audio device and choose Update Driver. Then select Search Automatically for Drivers and let Windows look for an updated version. After it finishes, restart your computer and check your audio. If updating doesn't work, go back to Device Manager. Right-click the same audio device and this time choose Uninstall Device. Confirm any prompts, then restart your PC. Windows will usually reinstall the driver automatically on reboot, which can fix corrupted driver issues. Finally, open the Settings app. Go to System, then Sound. Under Output, make sure the correct device is selected and that it isn't set to 0 volume or muted. If you see a Troubleshoot button, run the Troubleshooter and follow the on-screen suggestions. Work through these steps slowly, and after each major change, test your sound so you'll know which fix worked for you.